Hello, my dear sons and daughters. You are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about the HCF, that means the highest common factor of several numbers. So, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, you can subscribe it and also press on the bell icon. Then you can easily get my videos. Highest common factor. The shortened form for this term is HCF or GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. So what is the highest common factor? Given two or more numbers, the largest number, which is the factor of all of the given numbers, is known as the highest common factor. That means the highest common factor is the largest number which divides all the given numbers. Now we will study the methods of finding the HCF. There are three methods. The first method is by writing the factors of the given numbers. This is the primary method. So we are going to find the HCF of 12, 15 and 18. First we will write the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? First factor is 1, then this is divisible by 2, 3, then 3 into 4 is 12, so 4 is also a factor, then 2 times 6, then 1 times 12. So these are the all factors. Then factors of 15. 1 is a factor, then 3. 3 into 5 is 15, then 1 into 15. 4 factors. Then factors of 18. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, then 6. Next factor is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Then 2 times 9. 1 times 18. These are the all factors. Then we will see the common factors here. 1 is a common factor. Then again 3 is a common factor. And are there any common factors? Here no. Only 1 and 3. So common factors. Common factors are 1 and 3. Then out of these common factors, the highest number is 3. So we can take HCF is equal to 3. HCF is 3. Our second method is by writing as a product of prime factors. So the example is finding the HCF of 24, 32 and 48. First we will write 24 as a product of prime factors. For that we can divide it by the prime numbers. 24, I will write it here. I am going to divide first by 2. 2 times 12. Then 2 times 6. Again you can divide by 2. 2 times 3. Now you have to divide by 3. 3 times 1. Then these are the product. So you can write 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then next one is 32. 32 also should be divisible by prime numbers. 2 times 16. Then again 2 times 8. 2 times 4. Then 2 times 2. 2 times 1. So 2 5s are there. You can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the product. Then next one is 48. 48 I can write like this. Here 24. if you multiply 24 by 2, you get 48. So I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the product. Now I have to choose the same numbers in the 3 instances. The same number is here. 1 triple. Then again I can choose another one like this. Another one. Then you no ones again. 3 is here but 3 is not here. So you can't choose 3 here. Now you have to take the product of these 3 numbers as the HCF. HCF is equal to the product of 2 3's. So HCF is 8, equal to 8. Third method, by the method of division. The example is finding the HCF of 18, 27 and 36. Here we are using the division method here. 18, 27, 36. I am using the long division method. Then we are doing like this. We have to find the prime number which divides all the given numbers. So you can't divide these by 2 because 27 is not divisible by 2. Then 3. By 3 we can divide. 3 times 6, then 3 times 9, 3 times 12. Again, what is the number we are selecting? By 2 we can't, then 3 you can. All the numbers are divisible by the prime number 3. So 3 times 2, then 3 times 3, 3 times 4. Now can you find the prime number which divides all these remaining numbers? No. So we are stopping the division here. As the HCF, you have to take the multiple of these divisors. So HCF is equal to 3 into 3. That is 9. Then there is a special thing to recall. The HCF of a set of prime numbers is equal to 1.